So Cassidy came over to this tree and there's orchids growing in the tree. How beautiful. And of course we have bromeliads, aka Tillandsia. Oh, look at these. All over this tree. And these are the big boys. These are big. Oh, look at the little tiny ones. Oh gosh, something just grabbed me. A branch should grab me. And check out this bromeliad. How gorgeous. How gorgeous. I don't know. So this is what happens when it flowers. It dies. Okay, so we're walking and we see this aloe in a tree. I think there's one root, or maybe that's no. Is that? No. I don't know how, but there's no roots. All of the roots must be in the tree in itself. But this is an aloe tree growing in another tree. Oh, you can see all of the, let me see if I can zoom in, because I don't know if the moss and stuff inside, that's probably how.
It retains moisture?
Yeah, because of all of the moss. Oh, that is so neat. I've never seen that before. Okay.